Sunday fam, welcome back to another video. We are here for Dreamcatcher's Halloween Midnight Circus concert. It is Flip's first concert. It is my second concert, and we're finally here to react to it live.
Yes.
He is here on off hours, off the clock. Not his typical hours here. Obviously, we cannot post the full reaction on YouTube. What are your wants or predictions for this concert? I know they're going to be like in costume. I hope they're in costume. I hope Dami is.
I think it's going to be like an amazing, like Halloween, spooky, dark set.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. It's going to be that kind of setting. And what I really, really want, what I really, really wish is to see Yoo-hyun and Xion just go at it. Oh my god.
That would be crazy if Yoo-hyun and Xion had a special stage for this. I hope. See, Suwoo like was sounding like one of the cells from the cell.
Oh. That was her part.
She forgot. I don't know who told her, but. Airplane. What happened, Gaia?
Gaia's always like transfixed on something at some point.
Did she maybe break one of the light sticks?
Oh, she's really singing that one.
Wow. They next sang Airplane together so they can go, yeah, together. Oh, it's the vocal powerhouse couple.
Oh! Yeah! We got it.
That's all we're going to get.
It's like they read our minds.
Yes. I'm pretty sure now that I've seen that, most of the songs that we hear harmonies, it's them. You know? This is my favorite.
This is the anime song too.
Yeah, this is my favorite anime song. Wow, she's got so much more powerful in her control. Whoever said that with the reverb on. Oh.
My god, still with all the energy.
She's like, I don't know. God damn, she just went like. She rolled in with that vibrato. She's like, okay.
That's cool. Still my turn.
In the middle of her going off.
I can't do it that fast.
New days.
One more song. One more song. One more song. Oh, that was really good. I am tired. It's past my bedtime. I loved it. It was great to do it.
Thank you again for joining us for this reaction. Bye bye, and this is what we're watching this Sunday.